Hi! Okay, so, sorry if this is kind of rough, but I just wrote it a few minutes ago when I was supposed to be doing my existentials in paper. And, anyway, it's a song for Rachel and Abby about sex. And it's called The Birds and the Bees. So, here we go. It's not a subject that I know much about, but I can figure it out. And if there's ever a doubt, I can just give you a shout. Thanks for your patience with me, but I just wanna know, where does everything go? Okay, once more, take it slow and keep your voice low. Oh, oh, oh. Tell me, please. I was raised like it were a disease. Can my confusion you appease? Tell me more about the birds and the bees. This here is what I believe that friends are for when you're not really sure. Yeah, but they'll tell you much more. They'll leave your jaw on the floor. Oftentimes I think I may have been misled. Like, is there more than one head? Is it a verb, this word bed? And why is that what she said? Oh, oh, oh. Tell me, please, please. I was raised like it were a disease. Can my confusion you appease? Tell me more about the birds and the bees. Tell me more about the birds and the bees. Tell me more about the